So I got this cute sweatshirt that I really like, but it has the problem of being too small. The arms are tight and stuff. So that's a easy peasy fix. You just take out the seams at the sides and at the underneath of the arms, and then you can add in cloth. It's also a little short, so I'm going to add a little more cloth to the bottom. So with small stuff, it's a little more work because you have to add. If it was too big, I just have to modify the sizing. But I thought it was cute, and I might fancy it up a little. So as you can see, I outlined the kitty face in silver, which really brings out the face of the cat a lot better. And I'm going to use some fancier cloth to replace or place some extra cloth into it. I have to French seam it, so that's going to take some time, but I just need to increase the size of the sleeves by a little bit and the sides, and I'm going to add some more of the cloth to the bottom, and that will give me my New Year's project for a cute little sweatshirt that has some special cloth attached to it to kind of vamp it up. So that's where this project's at right now. So far I've outlined the little cat face in silver, and I've gotten the two sides French seamed in, just cut some cloth out to fit around. And the next step I'm working on is the bottom, because it was too short, using the same cloth as I used for the sides and under the arms. Then I'll have a few little things to sew on after I get the sides, but I'll show you what I'm doing with the sides. So what I'm doing with the bottom is I'm seaming the top and bottom of both pieces. Then I'm going to sew the both pieces together and sew them to the back or to the bottom of the shirt, and then finish off the few little hand sewn details, and I will be finished. So I decided to add a little lace to the bottom. As you can see, I have it pinned on. I'm going to hand sew it on just to make it look a little neater, and I have to finish off the arms, just a few little sections, and I've got myself my Happy New Year shirt with a sparkly, happy, shiny kitty. Happy New Year. So this is my New Year's project. I have the cat face all outlined in silver. I added cloth because it was too small, and I added some more to the bottom and just a little bit of lace to dress it up. And so this is our Happy New Year's project with the arms and everything, and now it fits me quite nicely, and there's a little bit of fancy with the cloth. So we'd like to wish you a Happy New Year's from A&J PEI Treasures, Off the Cuff Upcycling, and Off the Cuff Designs. Happy New Year, happy 2020.